It is time to hoop up a holiday DIY. These modern mini wreaths just take minutes, and they actually make sure that they'll go double duty as both a place setting and a party favor.
That's right. We have our friend, oh so lovely blogger Audrey Kuether here to show us how it is done. We've got hot glue guns. We're ready to go.
There's still time for injuries.
No time for injuries today. So these are super fun, and you always have great displays out here. Where can we get the supplies to start off with these wreaths?
You can pretty much get them anywhere, but I, just to save time, I ordered them mostly from Amazon, but I did go to my local craft store to get some greenery.
Yeah.
So really, it's available anywhere, and you could even shop your own backyard if you have some real pine, if you want to just use these for temporary purposes.
All right, and then time frame on the project. How long does it take you to make a couple of these?
I can make one start to finish in this whole segment.
Really?
It's really easy.
All right, here we go. You're going to see the genesis, the alpha, and the omega of. So 4 minutes to go. You ready?
Yes, let's do this.
All right, go.
Okay.
So how do we start?
Okay, so we're taking our hoop, and these are actually like dream catcher hoops. And they come in, yeah, they come in tons of different sizes. You can go miniature, or there's even smaller size than that. And then I've also made some larger ones. So
want to see a magic trick? No, I'm just kidding.
And usually I bought them in a pack where they all came together, so you can just choose. Really affordable. So I kind of like this size for a plate because I thought we could make some place settings for like the holiday table, with the little name tag. So all you're doing is getting your glue gun. And I pre-cut some greenery. I like the kind of sparkle in this, and I like that it's kind of simple and clean.
Okay.
Cut kind of one shorter, one longer, because I kind of like the asymmetrical look personally. But all you're doing is, watch your fingers, but you're going to just glue these to the wreath, kind of like so. And I'm going to do one with you.
You go ahead, and I'll try not to glue your table runner there. Hold on.
Get injured at the end of the week.
Fine. Oh, there we go. We can see it there. Okay.
All you're doing is just putting your glue on. And
why am I so scared of hot glue guns?
It does hurt whenever you when you get it right in the right spot. I have burnt myself many times.
All right, here we go.
There's every reason to be scared.
I can tell you've had some practice here.
Yeah.
This isn't a race, though, right?
No, we're almost done. And I'm going to show you a couple variations you can do.
Ring here.
If you like a little bit more than just a simple wreath here, I can show you another option, which I'll do next.
Okay. There we go.
So you obviously want to wait for this to dry. And this guy's done, but if it's a place setting, you need to add a name to it,
I about stuck mine to the table there. Yours looks better than mine. Why is that?
No, I think mine's a little weird. But yeah, see, look, that was quick.
There we go.
So for the place setting, if you have nice handwriting or calligraphy style, I have nice print, but I don't have that great a calligraphy. So I just got my design software, wrote out the names, and used a font that I liked for script, and I printed it out on heavy paper. So all you do is cut it out with your scissors. This is like a sheet of paper that I cut up, family names. And then I just took a little hole punch, and I got one for you too. That's my mother-in-law. This is my mother.
Okay.
And then I just punched them, and all you're doing is taking this little baker's twine. The hole is kind of small, so you have to kind of sneak it through there.
There we go.
Yep. And all you're doing is just tying it kind of to the top of the wreath.
Threading a needle here.
Exactly.
Hold on.
It's not that hard. But
as I still am trying to do it. Hang on.
And you can use a larger hole punch as well if that's easier for you.
So what you got to understand right now is our producer Dante is making fun of me in my ear right now, and you're making fun of me here in person.
Surrounded.
So it's like.
So yeah, you'll tie it on. You can do a bow, you can just do a string, but just like so. And I'm going to show a variation that you can do here.
Oh my goodness! Is it Friday yet?
It is. Okay. Thank God. You can take the same size hoop, or choose a different size, and you can get some greenery. I also got this online. These are actually little floral picks, and I just cut off with some pliers the ends, and all you do is the same thing. You're hot gluing those. So you got your little berry action,
pine cones.
Maybe some pine cones, so you can do that really easily. So you knock out another one in this.
She's going to get 2 done in the time I've only got one thing tied on here. Hang on.
I'm kind of on a roll
here. Well, do you want to keep making some here? What else can we do to kind of jazz them up here?
If you don't want to do this, no problem. You can go to any craft store, any dollar bin, and get these little bottle brush trees. Super cute. So if let's say you don't want to do that, you could do that, and you could even tie a name tag around the bottom, and they could take that home with them as a little favor,
And that still looks nice too. And we used these last year with you, and we did the what are those called?
The cloches.
Yeah.
Love me a cloche. So all I did here is
Love me a cloche. You should put that on a t-shirt.
I put some greenery in that with some fairy lights. You can put that in the centerpiece. So you don't have to, if you don't want to do this, you can just stick it in there and add. I like to add a little sparkly faux snow. This came from the Dollar Tree.
Sparkly faux snow.
It's all over our house right now. My husband's not a huge fan, but yeah, the options are endless.
All right, well, Audrey, thank you very much for these great ideas. Really fun stuff to spruce up your table with for holiday dinners, which are right around the corner. It's going to be here before you know it, right?
I know.
So, Audrey, again, thank you very much. Belinda.